Elevate your home entertainment with the all-new Xiaomi TV Stick HD, the next generation of streaming devices. Xiaomi TV Stick HD 2nd Gen, set for global launch with Google TV and HDR10+. Xiaomi TV Stick HD 2nd Gen has surfaced on Xiaomi's global website, signaling an upcoming worldwide release. The new streaming stick arrives as a successor to the earlier Mi TV Stick, offering notable improvements in performance and features, while still targeting users who want an affordable and compact smart TV solution. Designed to plug directly into a TV or monitor via HDMI, the Xiaomi TV Stick HD 2nd Gen transforms any compatible display into a smart entertainment hub powered by Google TV. This platform gives users access to a wide ecosystem of streaming apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and Apple TV, making it easy to watch movies, shows, and online content from a single interface. One of the key highlights of the device is its support for HDR10+, which enhances picture quality by improving brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. While it is limited to a resolution of 1080p at 60 Hz, this still provides a smooth and vibrant viewing experience for most users, especially those with Full HD displays. On the audio side, the device supports Dolby Audio and DTS-X, delivering immersive sound to complement the visuals. Performance has also been upgraded in this second-generation model. It is powered by a quad-core Cortex-A55 processor paired with a Mali G31 MP2 GPU, offering up to 38% better CPU performance compared to its predecessor. This improvement should result in faster app launches, smoother navigation, and an overall more responsive user experience. In terms of connectivity, the streaming stick supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for stable internet access, along with Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting wireless accessories like headphones or game controllers. The device also supports Google Cast, allowing users to wirelessly mirror content from their smartphones or tablets directly to the TV. The included remote control is another practical addition, featuring dedicated buttons for quick access to popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. It also includes a built-in microphone for voice commands via Google Assistant, enabling hands-free control for searching content, adjusting settings, or managing smart home devices. Compact and portable, the Xiaomi TV Stick HD 2nd Gen measures just 107.4 by 30 by 14 millimeters, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. While Xiaomi has not yet confirmed the official launch date or pricing, expectations suggest it will be competitively priced. For reference, the more advanced Xiaomi TV Stick 4000 2nd Gen launched in Europe at €50.99, giving a rough idea of where this model might fall in the market. With its improved performance, smart features, and affordable positioning, the Xiaomi TV Stick HD 2nd Gen is shaping up to be a strong option for users looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup without investing in a full smart TV.